Bye.
Oh, turn the light off, bro.
Guys, it's 5 a.m. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, Nick.
Bye, Nick. Bro, turn the light off.
Are you sure? Should I open the...
Bro.
You don't want this view in the morning? Gee. Drive back with us.
You guys are fried.
Drive back with us.
My private jet leaves tonight.
Alright, guys. It is time to go back home to California. As you can see, we have Williams E92 M3. We've got all of our stuff. Look at that. Chrome hearts. Had to go a little shopping. But now it's time to hit the road. It's about 5 a.m. right now. About to be 6 a.m. And we gotta hit the road because we got a big drive. What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to a brand new video. Welcome back to the channel. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. As you guys can see, we are heading out, guys. It's time to go back to California. I'm super sad that we're leaving Miami. I didn't want to leave Miami. It was so freaking nice and just so different out here that it just made me want to stay. We're literally on the other side of the freaking world. I'm just gonna make this into one whole video because I know you guys were saying to calculate how much gas are we spending or did we spend. So we're gonna go ahead and keep track of that. I think I'm only gonna be filming when we only get to stops. So just to show you guys, and if you guys were wondering how much gas does this car take, because it is a V8 and it is tuned, heavily tuned. So like I said, I'm gonna make this into one video, one whole vlog for you guys. So hope you guys enjoyed the Miami vlogs and the road trip vlogs when we were on the way over here to Florida. So make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram. Let's go, guys. Oh my, look at all the cats, guys, on the E46 M3. All right, guys, so we're at the first stop, 48 bucks. William was about exactly half a tank, so we filled up with $48. I'm gonna go ahead and write that in my notes so we can keep track. I think we're gonna go through the Tampa way because it's quicker, I think. So we'll be going through Tampa, Florida, but 48 bucks on the first stop. All right, guys, we did a quick little pit stop because we had to use the bathroom, but also he got the engine oil level at minimum, so he's got to top off some oil. But while we stopped, we decided to put more gas. So $27.92 is what I gotta add to the notes. So like I said, I'm only filming literally only the pit stops just to fill up gas. All right, guys, we're at another gas station stop. This is gas station stop number 3, and we're still in Florida. We're barely in, I think we just passed Tampa a little bit. So, all right, so I think he's trying to hit 55. Nope. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so tired. I was sleepy. Oh my gosh. We're at another stop for gas. $37.79. All right, guys, we are at another gas station stop. This is gonna be gas station stop number 5, I think it is. Let's check on my notes. Yeah, this will be stop number 5. And like I said, we're keeping track of how much we've spent so far. We're gonna calculate all this once I'm dropped off at home. This up to here. See, we're almost to the end. And then we go from here, 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 here. I'm trying to go all the way up to, where's it at? I'm trying to go all the way up to Houston. That's where I want to go. At least stop there. I don't know if we might sleep there, or we might just shoot it through and go all the way to, where's it at? Right here, El Paso. All right, guys, so this is how much we filled up. 58.58. 58.58. The gas is $3.17 here. All right, guys, we are now in New Orleans, and it's at 31, 32. What's the gas price over here? $3.99. Look. So right now we're in New Orleans. This will be fill up number 7, I think it is, or 6 forgot. I gotta check my notes. All right, guys, this is gas station stop number 7. So as you can see, we so far have done 7 stops since we've left Miami, and we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up this time. So let me just write here, stop number, damn, it's cold out here, stop number 7, and we're gonna see how much it costs to fill up. All right, so $37.45 is what it costs to fill up. We were at half a tank, but like I said, we're just gonna be filling up half a tanks. We're not really trying to let it go all the way completely down, because like I said, we don't know when the next gas station stop is, and we want to be safe than sorry, that's for sure. All right, guys, another gas station stop. This is stop number 8, and William filled up, I don't know if you guys can see, 5407. 5407. All right, guys, we're like 20 minutes away from San Antonio, Texas, but we've decided to fill up before at another gas station. So 3189 is where we're at. I'll pick up the camera once we get to the next gas station. I'm gonna be driving the E92 now. William's tired, so let's go. Damn, G, you have competition all over you. All right, guys, oh my gosh, what a drive. We're still not even halfway where we need to be. We are very far away still. We're not that far, actually. We're like halfway to El Paso. All right, guys, 2858. All right, guys, we're literally in the middle of freaking nowhere, but this is stop number 11. We filled up gas, 4210, so I gotta add that to the notes. And we're literally in the middle of freaking nowhere, guys. This is literally nothing. All right, guys, last gas station stop for today, because we're gonna get some rest in El Paso, Texas. So this is gas station stop number 12. And we filled up with, I don't know if you guys can read, but it says 4081. How many gas station stops do you think we're gonna hit? All right, guys, we're in New Mexico. So we filled up 4838. So we gotta add that to our list. 4838 is what we're at, guys. Still on the road. This is gas station stop number, I wrote it down on the notes, stop number 13. All right, guys, so stop number 14, 6105. We are now in Arizona, almost home, guys. I think we're gonna need probably like, after number 14, we're gonna need like one more pump of gas, and then we'll be good. All right, guys, we are now in Blythe, about to fill up gas. We're almost home, guys. We're almost there. It's been a long journey, but can't lie, it's been fun. And the E92 has been so good to us. We haven't had one single issue. Knock on wood, I don't have no wood, but but yeah, guys, super fun road trip. This is gonna be stop number, let me see my phone, William. Forgot, I lost count. This is stop number, I think 15, if I'm correct. This will be stop number 15, guys. So, woo, stop 15. I think this should be the last stop though, because we are closer to home, and I think we should be good. So, all right, so 4310. Let me see if I can squeeze some more out of there.
Pick up your scratchers inside. A little play can
See if we
make
can
your
get
day.
44. All right, we'll stop at 44. All right. Damn. All right, guys, I'm finally home with William. He's dropping me off. So we did 15 gas station stops from Miami, Florida, all the way down to what was the last gas station fill up we did? In Blythe? Blythe? Which is in California, right? Yeah. Okay. So yeah, the last gas station stop was Blythe, and total was 15 gas station stops. We're gonna go ahead and add up the total, and then you guys will see how much gas has been spent just to come back. Don't forget, we didn't calculate on the way there as well, but you'll kind of get an idea. But William, if you want to start adding it up, so it's 40. So stop number 1 was $48.36, And then gas station stop number 2 was $27.92. The third one is $54.90. Number 4 is $37.79. Number 5 was $58.58. Number 6 is $38.17. Number 7 is $37.45. Number 8 is $54.07. Number 9 is $31.89. Number 10 is $28.58. Number 11 is $42.10. Number 12 is $40.81. 13 was $48.38. And then number 14 was $61.05. And the last gas station stop, number 15, was $44.02. So we spent $654.25, guys. That's crazy. Look at that. Bro. That was just to come back. Don't forget, like, to go there. So to go there was probably the same. Yeah, same. If not, I don't know, probably. So around, if it was like 600, like 1,200 probably. Maybe a little bit more, I think, because you filled up in Orlando, I think, too, right? So let's just play it safe and say like 1,300 bucks. Like 1,400 bucks probably, honestly, guys. But so there you guys have it. A lot of you guys asked for this video, so I went ahead and did that. But the trip was definitely fun. I'd definitely do it again. I wish we could do it with like a bigger group, maybe rent like an RV and get all the homies to do it and do like a, you know, like a big road trip. But I don't know. I feel like not a lot of people are down to do that drive, but I'll do it. I'll definitely do it again. William said he would do it again. Noe would do it again. I had a lot of fun. We went through a lot of different states and checked out different places and stuff like that. So it was pretty cool. But it's time to end the vlog. I hope you guys did enjoy the road trip vlogs, the Orlando vlogs, the Miami vlogs. We'll do more in the future. So, all right, guys, that's it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to hit the subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications. Follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.